Hello and welcome everyone. So আমি এটা নতুন ভিডিও সিরিজ স্টার্ট কৰিব লৈছো যত আমি ইন্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰি কোৱেশ্চন খিনি ডিসকাস কৰিম প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ্ছৰ আৰু এই ভিডিওটোত আমি 18 আৰু 16 ৰ কোৱেশ্চন খিনি কম্বাইন কৰি ডিসকাস কৰিম কাৰণ 2018 ত ইন্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰিৰ পৰা অকল 4টা কোৱেশ্চন আহিছিল so we decided to merge both the question papers so আমি অলৰেডি ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটি লক্ষ্মীকান্তৰ কিতাপখনৰ ক্ৰেশ কোৰ্স স্টাৰ্ট দিছে যদি আপোনালোকে আগত ভিডিও কিটা চোৱা নাই আমাৰ প্লেলিষ্টত গৈ বলে ভিডিও কিটা চোৱাৰ কাৰণে ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিলো আৰু তাৰ লগতে আমি মক টেষ্টটো ডিসকাস কৰি আছো ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ ওপৰত সো আপোনালোকে হেতু প্লেলিষ্টত গৈ চাব পাৰে আৰু অলৰেডি আমি ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ কোৱেশ্চন অন ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটি আমি ডিসকাস কৰা শেষ কৰিলো দেন আজিৰ পৰা আমি স্টাৰ্ট দিম ইন্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰিৰ প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ কোৱেশ্চন আৰু আমি নেক্সট আপকামিং লেসন এটা স্টাৰ্ট দিম ভিডিও সিৰিজ এটা যত আমি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এমসিকিউ ডিসকাস কৰিম ৰিলেটেড টু Assam. So let's get started. So the first question is, who founded the Home Rule League in September 1916? Options are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai or Annie Besant. So the correct option will be Annie Besant. Kintu in the same year, that is in 1916, in the month of April, Bal Gangadhar Tilak first founded the Home Rule League of India. So ইয়াত যদি সেপ্টেম্বৰৰ জায়গাত যদি এপ্ৰিল দিয়া থাকিলেতেন মান্থটো তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ আনসাৰটো হলেতেন বাল গংগাধৰ তিলক নেক্সট সো Gandhi Arvind Pact was signed in the year 1931 1925 1929 or 1932 so it was signed in 1931 so during the first round table conference Indian National Congress decided not to participate in it. A deadlock to Gujarat Karne Gandhi Arvind Pact was signed in 1931, after which in the second roundtable conference Indian National Congress participated. Moving to the next question. In India, the Jamindari system was first introduced in Bengal, Madras, Bombay or Delhi. So the answer will be Bengal. So Jamindari system was first introduced in Bengal by Lord Cornwallis in the year 1793. Then we have, which one of the following scholars is believed to have written the Panchatantra stories? Options are Vishnu Sharma, Fattadeva, Sushruta or Chaitanya. So the correct option will be Vishnu Sharma. So 2018 ত আমাৰ যিখন কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ আছিল জিএস কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ তাত এই চাৰিটা ইন্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰিৰ পৰা কোৱেশ্চন আহিছিল এতিয়া যিখিনি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন খিনি হেখিনি হ'ব আমাৰ 2016 ৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ খনৰ পৰা so we have during the freedom struggle Aruna Asaf Ali was a major woman organizer of underground activities in civil disobedience movement Swadeshi movement non-cooperation movement or Quit India movement so the correct answer will be Quit India movement. Then we have the slogan Inqilab Zindabad was first raised by Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Savarkar or Bhagat Singh. So actually the slogan Inqilab Zindabad was coined by Maulana Hasrat Mohani and Bhagat Singh popularized the slogan. কিন্তু ইয়াত যেহেতু Maulana Hasrat Mohaniৰ অপশনটো দিয়া গতিকে আমাৰ কারেক্ট অপশনটো হ'ব Bhagat Singh. Then we have, after which incident Mahatma Gandhi had called non-cooperation movement as his Himalayan blunder? Options are Khera Satyagraha, Chauri Chaura incident, Nagpur Satyagraha or Rajkot Satyagraha. So the correct option will be Chauri Chaura. So আমি জানো যে মহাত্মা গান্ধীৰ ফ্রিডম স্ট্রাগলৰ মেইন মটো আছিল নন ভায়োলেন্স কিন্তু ডিউৰিং দ্য নন কোঅপাৰেচন মুভমেন্ট ইন এ প্লেস কল্ড চৌৰি চৌৰা প্ৰটেষ্টাৰবিলাকে কি কৰিছিল এখন পুলিশ ষ্টেচন জ্বলাই দিছিল আফটাৰ হুইচ মহাত্মা গান্ধী কল্ড অফ দ্য নন কোঅপাৰেচন মুভমেন্ট এণ্ড হি কনসিডাৰ্ড ইট এজ হিজ হিমালয়ান ব্লাণ্ডাৰ মানে তেওঁ ডাঙৰ মিষ্টেক বুলি তেওঁ কনসিডাৰ কৰিছিল কিয় তেওঁ ভাবিছিল যে দ্য পিপল অফ ইণ্ডিয়া ইজ ষ্টিল নট ৰেডি ফৰ এ নন ভায়োলেন্ট মুভমেন্ট. Then we have, who among the following organized a march on the Tanjore coast to break the salt law in April 1930? Options are V.O. Chidambaram, K. Kamaraj, Annie Besant or C. Rajagopalachari. So the correct option will be C. Rajagopalachari. So moving to the next question. Who was called the mother of Indian Revolution? Options are Kasturba Gandhi, Kamala Nehru, Sarojini Naidu or Bhikaji Cama. So Bhikaji Cama is called the mother of Indian Revolution. Then we have, in the individual satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first satyagrahi. Who was the second? Options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Rajagopalachari, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the second individual satyagrahi. Then we have, who is considered as the founder of the Gupta Empire? Options are Chandragupta II, Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, or Srigupta. So, the correct option will be Srigupta. He was the founder of the Gupta Empire. Then we have, the first census was conducted at the time of Lord Dufferin, Lord Lytton, Lord Auckland, or Sir John Napier. So, the first non-synchronized census was started in 1865 and it was completed in 1872. During that time, the viceroy was Lord Mayo. Kintu yar option Lord Mayo mention kora nai. Etia ami janu je amar census conduct kora hoy in every 10 years. Aru he procedure to start hoisil 1881. But during that time also, the viceroy was Lord Ripon. So yar eta option correct nahoy. So amar correct option hobo either Lord Mayo or Lord Ripon. Then we have, there are only two known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is the paintings of Ajanta caves. Where is the other surviving example of Gupta paintings? So the options are Ellora caves, Bagh caves, Lomas Rishi caves, or Nasik caves. So the correct option will be B, Bagh caves. Then we have, which of the following Gupta kings had to face the first Huna invasion? Options are Skanda Gupta, Buddha Gupta, Puru Gupta, or Kumara Gupta. So, Skanda Gupta is the correct answer. Then we have, who among the following anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? Options are Aryabhatta, Varamihira, Buddha Gupta, or Brahma Gupta. So, the correct option will be Brahma Gupta. Then we have, the paintings on the walls and ceilings in the Ajanta caves depict mainly incidents relating to the Ramayana and Mahabharata, legends relating to Vikramaditya, incidents relating to the life of Gautama Buddha, or incidents relating to the life of Mahavira. So the correct option will be incidents relating to the life of Gautama Buddha. So moving to the next question. Which of the following Mughal buildings is said to possess the unique features of being exactly equal in length and breadth? So the options are Agra Fort, Red Fort, Buland Darwaja, or Taj Mahal. So the correct option will be Taj Mahal. It is equal in length and breadth. Then we have, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Options are Lord Irwin, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Hardinge, or Lord Curzon. So the correct option will be Lord Chelmsford. So Jallianwala Bagh is situated in the city of Amritsar in Punjab. So the massacre happened in the year 1919 on 13th of April. Then we have, against whom of the following was the Lahore conspiracy case registered during the Indian freedom struggle? So the options are Lala Hardayal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, or Vishnu Ganesh Pingle. So the correct option will be D, Vishnu Ganesh Pingle. Then we have a woman revolutionary who, while receiving her degree at the convocation at the University of Calcutta from the governor of Bengal, showed him was. So the options are Kalpana Datta, Bina Das, Pritilata Wadedar, or Leela Nag. So the correct option will be Bina Das. Then we have the Viceroy upon whom a bomb was thrown but he did not change his attitude towards the Indian was Lord Hardinge, Warren Hastings, Lord Curzon, or Lord Chelmsford. So the correct option will be Lord Hardinge. Then we have, in 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started civil disobedience movement from Sevagram, Dandi, Wardha, or Sabarmati. So the correct answer will be Dandi. Next question will be, who among the following founded Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Mahatma Gandhi, J.B. Kripalani, N.M. Joshi, or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So the correct option will be Mahatma Gandhi. Then we have, which of the following aroused a wave of popular indignation that led to the massacre by the British at Jallianwala Bagh? Options are the Arms Act, the Public Safety Act, the Vernacular Press Act, or the Rowlatt Act. So the correct option will be Rowlatt Act. So under this act, anybody can be arrested on the basis of suspicion and he can be punished without any trial. So it was termed as a draconian act. So the next question is, every pearl in the royal crown is but the crystallized drops of blood fallen from the tearful eyes of the poor peasants. Who made this statement? Options are Ibn Battuta, Al-Biruni, Amir Khusro, or Badauni. So the correct option will be Amir Khusro. Then we have, which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? Options are Fort William, Fort St. George, Fort St. David, or Fort St. Angelo. So the correct option will be Fort St. George. Then we have, which of the following Europeans were the last to come to pre-independent India as traders? Options are Dutch, English, French, or Portuguese. So the correct option will be French. Then we have, the educated middle class in India opposed the revolt of 1857, supported the revolt of 1857, fought against native rulers, or they remained neutral to the revolt in 1857. So the correct option will be they remained neutral to the revolt. Then we have, which one of the following was the first English newspaper in India in the year 1780? Options are the Calcutta Gazette, the Bengal Gazette, the Bengal Journal, or the Bombay Herald. So the correct option will be the Bengal Gazette. It was published in 1870 by J.A. Hickey. Then we have, who succeeded Robert Clive to lead the East India Company? Options are Lord Bentinck, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Hastings, or Lord Wellesley. So the correct option will be Lord Hastings. Then we have, Job Carnock founded Calcutta at the site of Sultanate, Kalikata, Govindpur, or all of the above. So the correct option will be all of the above. Then, Eightfold Path of the Buddha is known as the middle path because it does not attach too much importance to knowledge and conduct, attaches equal importance to knowledge and conduct, avoids self-indulgence as well as self-immolation, is open to the clergy and laity. It is called middle path because it avoids self-indulgence as well as self-immolation. Then we have, which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1939 after he broke away from the Congress? Options are Azad Hind Fauj, Indian Freedom Party, Revolutionary Party, or Forward Bloc. So the correct option will be the Forward Bloc. Then at last we have, the doctrine of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi was influenced by Churchill, Erwin Tolstoy, Ruskin Tolstoy, Thoreau, Truman, or Bernard Shaw. And last, Cripps, Tolstoy, or House. So the correct pair will be Ruskin, Tolstoy, and Thoreau. So at this we come to the end of this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.